In this video, we will show you how to replace your front sway bar links on this Ford Ranger. This is part of your front suspension located under your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way underneath the vehicle. You'll find that you have a sway bar link on each side of the vehicle. To replace one is the same on the other side of the vehicle. With that said, we'll be using a 16mm up along the top and a 16mm down along the bottom. Just hold on to the top with our wrench. Now down along the bottom, we can start loosening this up. Once you remove the nut, the next thing you should find is you have a washer and then a rubber bushing. At this point, we'll continue on removing the rest of the sway bar link. As we finish removing the sway bar link, you're going to find that you have several parts that will start to separate. Start lifting up on this. As we lift it up, we'll pull the sway bar link away from the lower control arm. You can remove a bushing and a washer. After that, you're going to have a large spacer, another washer, a bushing, and now we're going to lift this up and out of the sway bar. There it is, friend. Let's clean our mounting points. You want to make sure you give them a close inspection. Now it's time for installation of our brand new front sway bar link. We'll take the shaft, one of our concave washers, and one of our bushings. We'll have the concave area facing towards the curved area of the bushing, with the small area of the bushing facing down towards where the sway bar will be located. Slide that up towards the top of that sway bar link. Now we can take the sway bar link and bring it down through the sway bar. At this point, we'll be continuing on with one of our bushings and one of our concave washers. This time we want to have the bushing so that the little nubbed area is facing up, still going towards that sway bar. We have our concave washer. Go ahead and slide both of those right on up there. Continue on with your long spacer. While holding everything together, we're going to continue on with a next washer, another bushing. This time the bushing will be facing down towards that control arm. Go ahead and align that with the control arm and slide it into place. There we are. Now that we have that down through there, we'll continue on with our next bushing facing up towards that control arm, our concave washer, and our nylon nut. At this point, we'll continue on tightening this up. You don't need to tighten it until it completely bottoms out. We're paying attention to the rubber bushings. We just want to make sure they're touching up against the control arm and the sway bar link. We'll just give all of the bushings a quick inspection. It's important to make sure that you did not over-tighten any of these. If you did, it's going to cause premature wear. Okay friend, we showed you how to install one of your front sway bar links. As I said before, the process for one side of the vehicle is the exact same thing as the other. Once you've done that, go ahead and make your way out from under the vehicle, take it for a road test, and listen for funny noises. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.